Starting crypto? 5 essential tips for beginners. Are you stepping into the vibrant world of cryptocurrency trading? Before you dive in, we've got some crucial beginner tips that could change your trading game this season. Cryptocurrency, known for its potential high returns, also brings a wave of complexity, especially for beginners. But fear not, we're here to guide you through the essentials. Choosing the right platform, understanding market trends, and knowing the ins and outs of crypto trading is all part of the journey. And we've got the insights you need. From starting with small steps to mastering the art of patience, these tips are designed to give beginners a solid foundation in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Stay tuned as we reveal these essential tips that every crypto beginner needs to know. It's your first step towards becoming a savvy crypto trader. Visit our website to learn more and start trading today. Learn more at our website